I'm gonna try tennis. I have not played in the last 2 weeks, so I'm going to do my best. Probably an hour, taking it easy, but I don't.
Let's go, go.
Tennis prematurely ended. Had to get ready real quick. I have literally 15 minutes to get ready, and yeah, it's the best I can do on a rush, like literal rush. So I'm gonna go in right now. The place looking scarce, but maybe there are people in there.
Where they're not too like old and they're not too young, like they fit that middle ground where they like the finer things but also like the digital age. If you want a bigger metal print, you can. Like the cost of entry for becoming an art collector, I have that very open. Literally shine a spotlight on that as well. Moving right along, any questions on this? Rocksteady, Lovers Rock, all different kinds of reggae music. Because I have calendars from the show. If you scan that QR code, it leads to the playlist. So it's very new. Please share it around, and yeah, just support the thing. It literally costs nothing to like just share it with a friend and tell them to come. My name is Akil Dunkley. Thank you for coming to the talk.
carinho seja o beijo de uma flor. Deixa que o amor invade a porta da tua casa. Deixa que o carinho seja o beijo de uma flor.
So I'm back, and now I'm gonna wash my hair and take this out. God no, my parents are coming up for dinner. They cooked and we're gonna have them over. So once I wash my hair and get showered and do nice and clean, I got to finish tying up in terms of like the regular weekly wash up the bathroom. And then hopefully relax for the rest of the weekend. I got an invite to speakeasy, but I'm not gonna go because I am just ready to relax. I'll probably go next weekend when, you know, it's payday weekend and everybody's outside. But this weekend I set aside just relaxing and taking it easy, so I'm gonna do just that. Catch you guys. Just finished washing my hair and I have the clothes in the washing machine. I feel like it's gonna rain, so I have to take them to the laundromat because every day it's been raining and I'm just like, I cannot do this. At some point in time it's going to rain, so I just have to take it to the laundromat and absorb that fee. Chef Sam.
Guys, this is my first time cooking red pea soup. You know, if you see anything weird or outrageous, don't blame me. I don't know what I'm doing. That's on my mama. On my blood. Of my car. So we have no stress. Alright. Gonna take one more. Because the pressure cooker going to cook out the beef.
It's your man that can cook.
I just don't want it to smash up.
So you put beef and I have not dumpling in a long time.
You do call me dumpling.
So I just dropped off the stuff at the laundromat. Hoy, it is so hot in there. I don't know how people just sit down and wait. I guess they don't have a choice. And I guess some people are just like, you know, I don't want people to thief my things or take it out and put it on the ground, I guess. But what I do is time it perfectly, that when it is like almost time, I just go back in there, collect my things and go about my way. But I am not gonna stand or sit down in the heat. You see, I was sweating a while ago. I had to go back in my car real quick. So I'm gonna go to Fontana because I have to get some stuff from there. And then by the time I drive back, my stuff should be ready. Yeah. Like, I'm so proud of myself. In and out. And I bought one thing. I literally have 2 minutes to get back to the place. And it is a 5-minute journey. Yeah. So, let's kick this into overdrive. I think she literally was like, I don't have no money. God knowing, He gave me green lights straight through so I can reach back. I'm done. I ended up folding up everything because I realized that whenever I throw everything in after it gets dry, it's more crushed and harder too. And your girl hates ironing. Time to go back to the house. I feel like I've done a whole day's work, channel.